Hello and welcome back, my friends. We have started a series of video lectures on DNA replication in eukaryotes. और उसमें से हमने एक पोर्शन किया था initiation of DNA replication in eukaryotes. And today video tutorial we will discuss about elongation of the eukaryotic DNA replication. ठीक है, इससे पहले हमने ये प्रोकैरियोटिक डीएनए रेप्लिकेशन का एलोंगेशन पढ़ा है कि हाउ प्रोकैरियोटिक डीएनए इनिशिएट, कहाँ से वो इनिशिएट होता है, देन कहाँ कैसे वो एलोंगेट होते हैं. द प्रोसेस इज वेरी बिट सिमिलर टू दैट ऑफ द प्रोकैरियोटिक डीएनए रेप्लिकेशन, बट here are some few differences because this process is a bit complex as compared to that of the eukaryotic prokaryotic DNA replication. The complexity is because of the कि जब इनिशिएशन प्रोसेस होता है, पहले आपका प्री इनिशिएशन कॉम्प्लेक्स बनता है, देन यूर इनिशिएशन कॉम्प्लेक्स में आपके क्या होते हैं कि आपके CDC45, आपके गिल्स प्रोटीन, GINase प्रोटीन, आपके पॉलीमरेज अल्फा, it will recruits at the origin of replication. But now there are many origin of replications like here is your eukaryotic DNA. Here is one origin of replication, and here is two, and here is three, and so on. There are many replication bubbles will have to produce inside the eukaryotic DNA. Inside the eukaryotic DNA. Now these bubbles will elongate in their relative directionality. वो अपनी directionality में accordingly वो क्या होगी, will move forward, and then they will meet with each other and replication process will terminate. ठीक है. Now in the elongation process, आपका जो इनिशिएशन कॉम्प्लेक्स है उसमें आपका यहाँ पे पहले क्या आता है, पॉलीमरेज अल्फा विल रिक्रूट हियर, और पॉलीमरेज अल्फा, व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ पॉलीमरेज अल्फा will aid RNA short strand of RNA nucleotides which is called primer से ही आपका initiation होगा, and then polymerase alpha also aid 15 to 20 nucleotides into the 3' active 3' end of the primer. Later on, after addition of the 15 to 20 nucleotides, polymerase alpha will fall down. वो क्या होगा, वो that will be released by the initiation complex, after its release another polymerase at the lagging strand and at the leading strand there will be different polymerases. At the lagging strand, let's suppose this is your lagging strand, at the lagging strand which one polymerase delta will recruit at the lagging strand, and it will synthesize a new strand in the form of Okazaki fragments, discontinuous fragments. After one fragment there will be another, again the RNA polymerase the DNA polymerase delta will fall down and another primer then will be added there, and then another short strand of nucleotides, another short fragment of nucleotide will be added again, and then a polymerase delta will fall again, and again this process will continue. On the other hand, at the leading strand, this is your leading strand. At leading strand, your continuous process, continuously addition of nucleotide will be there. There is a separate enzyme for the leading strand, and that is polymerase epsilon will add nucleotide here to the leading strand from 5' to 3' in the directionality of 5' to 3'. It will add nucleotide here continuously and will add until and unless your termination reach out. Now, what is the biochemistry or biochemical reaction of the addition of the nucleotide? For example, here is your one nucleotide which is being added here by polymerase alpha. Suddenly your 20 to 30 nucleotide has been added by polymerase alpha. That also in the same pattern. Bonding will be also like I am discussing the bonding formation, phosphodiester bond formation either by delta or either by epsilon. इसके ये जो bond formation करता है इसी principle पे polymerase alpha also makes the bond. ठीक है, let's suppose यहाँ पे आपका एक polymer आपका एक nucleotide जो है has been added. ठीक है, या this is the nucleotide of the primer whatever may so आपका क्या है, but here is a 3 prime active E, 3 prime active E. आप यहाँ पे ऑक्सीजन, यहाँ पे कार्बन नंबर 5, यहाँ पे कार्बन नंबर 1 2 and here is carbon number 3. ठीक है, now the next nucleotide will come. Let me make the diagram a bit more clear. Like here is your one nucleotide, here is your one nucleotide, here is your carbon number 1. The chemistry, basic chemistry of nucleotide, here is carbon number 1, here is carbon number 2, here is carbon number, here is oxygen, here is carbon number 3, carbon number 3, and here is your carbon number 4, and here is your carbon number 5. ठीक है, दिस इज द बेसिक केमिस्ट्री. यहाँ पे भी आपका क्या अटैच होता है, हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप. यहाँ पे आपका जो यहाँ पे आपका nitrogenous base will attach here, will be attached here. Now what happens basically, the DNA polymerase alpha or epsilon or this delta will recruit another nucleotide here, another nucleotide which will have similar structure like this, which will have similar structure like this. Like here is nitrogenous base, here is oxygen, here is carbon number 1, carbon number 2, here is hydroxyl group, here is hydroxyl group, here is another carbon number 3, and here is carbon number 4, and here is carbon number 5. Now this carbon number 5 carries phosphate group. Carries what? It carries phosphate group. It carries phosphate, PO4 group, PO4 group. अब यहाँ पे जो आपका ब्रिंगिंग न्यूक्लियोटाइड एट द पॉलीमराइजेशन साइट होते हैं, यहाँ पे क्या कितने 3 फॉस्फेट ग्रुप. ठीक है, 3 PO4 group, 3 phosphate group will be here, like in the form of adenosine triphosphate, guanosine triphosphate, or thymine triphosphate, whatever. So which nucleotide is required here is that nucleotide will come in the form of triphosphate group. Here will be 3 phosphate. अब ये polymerase basically क्या करते हैं, alpha, either it is alpha or either it is epsilon or either it is delta polymerase. It will cleave and will cut these 2 phosphate out of the, it will break the bond between this phosphate group which is attached to the carbon number 5 and the 2 phosphates which are attached to the this one phosphate group. ठीक है, यहाँ से 2 phosphate group will be released out in the form of 2 inorganic phosphate, in the form of 2 inorganic phosphate, 2 PIs. ठीक है, and energy will be released, and this makes a bond between this यहाँ पे इस कार्बन नंबर 3 और कार्बन नंबर 5 के दरमियान क्या बनता है, बॉन्ड बनता है. और इस बॉन्ड को हम क्या कहते हैं, फॉस्फोडाइएस्टर बॉन्ड, फॉस्फोडाइएस्टर बॉन्ड. दिस इज कॉल्ड फॉस्फोडाइएस्टर, एंड दैट्स हाउ कि एक न्यूक्लियोटाइड के साथ दूसरा न्यूक्लियोटाइड विल बी अटैच्ड, the two second nucleotides will be attached, and the process of polymerization will continue until the termination sites reach, until and unless your termination process is reached. When the termination process is reached, आपका termination site पहुंच जाता है कि यहाँ पे आपका DNA replication will have to be stopped. Then in case of prokaryotes, we have discussed that there will be a termination site and one where a protein will recruit there, और वो protein क्या करेगा, it will stop one of the polymerase enzyme and will let the other one to complete the replication process. But in this case the process is a bit complicated. Like here telomeres will form, and then telomerase enzyme, and then different complexes will be formed. ठीक है, but that we will discuss in the next video tutorial. But here यहाँ पे हम क्या discuss कर रहे हैं, some portion of the termination process, like कि जब आपका ये सारा कुछ process complete हो जाए प्राइमर विल हैव टू बी रिमूव्ड। elongation polymerization आपका complete हो जाए, the primers which is attached here will be removed and should be removed. How the primer should be removed? There are two different proteins and two different enzymes. One is RNase H protein or RNase H enzyme, ठीक है, and the second one is FEN1 FIN1 protein, ठीक है. It basically remove the primers from the leading strand and lagging strand. Leading strand से आपका RNase H, let's suppose one primer is added here, one is added here, and one is added here. This one is your leading strand. But आपका lagging strand में one primer is added here, one is here, and here, like continuously. There are many primers as compared to that of the leading strand. As compared to that of the leading strand. So this need another protein which is called FIN1 protein. And this FIN1 protein remove the primer from the lagging strand by flap mechanism. By which mechanism? Flap mechanism. ठीक है. We will discuss flap mechanism as well as removal of primer from the leading and lagging strand and next video tutorial of DNA replication termination. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.